LS Group spun off from LG Group in 2003 and launched LS Mtron in 2008 with an aim to enhance its expertise and global competitiveness in the industrial machinery and cutting-edge component businesses. LS Mtron held the largest share in the South Korean tractor market in 2012. Currently, it is exporting tractors to more than 40 countries around the world from its global production bases in South Korea, China, and Brazil. It is also growing into a comprehensive agricultural machinery maker by expanding its business areas to include tractor implements and combines, while raising its quality and price competitiveness further through the completion of a state-of-the-art engine plant. Established in 2009, LS Tractor USA is headquartered in North Carolina and operates assembly and delivery plants in California and Louisiana. It has also built a wide network of dealers all across the US and Canada, with its strong commitment to the North American market. Its full product lineup, from compact tractors to utility tractors, boasts strength and durability, low cost and highly efficient fuel economy, ergonomic and sensible designs. Its superior value is boosted with more functional standard features, and the quality of tractor is backed up by 5-year limited warranty. It also supplies a wide range of implements that feature outstanding performance and workability, such as front-end loaders, backhoes, and lawnmowers. LS Tractor USA is increasing the sales of its new products installed with Tier 4 engines that meet the strengthened emission standards, while reinforcing its distribution capabilities by streamlining its dealer networks and boosting its financing competitiveness.
And I chose LS mainly because of its quality and also its value. And it was a product that I wanted to make sure that my customers had an opportunity to have that product. Customer satisfaction ratings are so high on LS that it's not difficult to sell an LS tractor. All you have to do is talk about it because it sells itself.
Going forward, LS Tractor USA will actively participate in local community activities, improve its bases by region and logistics efficiency, and focus on establishing a system for customer response and service within 24 hours. Through this, it will realize greater customer values and becoming a major player in North American compact tractor market.